Guys, I'm back again and I have this with me. Guess what we are going to do today? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's still your girl Mimi. If you're new to this channel and you like my kind of content, please hit that subscribe button, like, comment and share to your family and friends. And to my returning subscribers, I love you guys so much. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. I love you. So guys, today I have this with me. This is my screen guard. Yeah, I bought this. I wanted them to change it for me at the shop, but then I said no, I'm going to bring it home, change it by myself and show you guys how you can change your screen guard by yourself. So if you're here and you've been wanting to change your screen guard by yourself but you're afraid that you might break it or you will not fix it very well, this video is for you. Yeah, so do well to watch to the end because you're going to see how it's done. It's very easy actually. Yeah, so watch to the end and subscribe if you've not. So I have my screen guard here. This is my screen guard. It's not actually the perfect size for my phone, but it was measured and it was close to the size. Yeah, so I have my wipes here with me. The first one is wet and the second one is dry. So we're going to use the wet wipes first, followed by the dry one before we can place our screen guard. Yeah, if you're here and you've not subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting for. Please subscribe. Subscribe, like, comment and share to your family and friends because this might be helpful to someone. Yeah, so let's dive right into the video.